The hotness of the chicken and spiciness of this chicken fry is like next level, guys. I wanna try this with lemon. Definitely it will give a very good taste. Welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. First time we have dropped down to football themed restaurant. So there is a ground also. Next to that there is a restaurant. That is Tarangini restaurant. A proper Nati style biryani and a Andhra style chili chicken is really famous in this restaurant. And there are some mutton dishes also. I don't know, I've not gone through their menu. So let's go inside and check out what is so special about. And this restaurant is there from since 1996. So it's been almost like 24 years. So before this restaurant was there in RT Nagar. But now this is a new branch which they have opened. Due to some reasons they had shut down this restaurant. So let's go inside and taste the food. So this is a proper afternoon, so no one is playing. After 2 or 3 days I'm able to find sun in Bangalore. So fine, going good. But climate is like up and down. One day it will be completely like cold and one more day completely sunny. So this is restaurant. On each and every chair I can see some player's name and jersey number. This looks like crazy. And not just downside, they do have even upstairs. So let's go and visit. And this is their kitchen. This box is their kitchen and the colors look really vibrant. This kitchen is in proper like village kind, so you have that feel because it's in outskirts. And fresh air after so many days, when you're coming out of the house having a fresh air, it gives a very good feel. And one more thing is that opposite itself you can see a football ground and it's really very calm ambience. Like a ground is there and next to that a restaurant is there. That makes something meaningful. The thought itself is quite different. So let's see how is the menu and all. So this is today's menu. They do have a very big menu itself. They do have dining in ground floor as well as first floor. Just look out this ground. Super green. I've got mutton biryani. Quantity is like completely filled up. So taste wise, let's try. I hope this is not spicy because color is like very green. It's getting separated. The spices has not been used so much. First bite. Rice is spicy. Meat is tender and they have given like almost like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of mutton. Garam masala and mint flavor is really very dominating in this biryani. The meat is just amazing. Just look at this, guys. A good combination. Mutton is being completely melted. Always mutton fat has to get melted in the mutton biryani. Then only that feel of eating mutton biryani is like next level. I'm not able to control. I just love feel to finish this entire biryani. Usually I'm not fond of mutton. Biryani taste is just amazing. They have given a small piece of lemon. Let me squeeze this. Have a mix and try this. The tanginess and the fat flavor in the rice, wow, just amazing. They have given a good combination. They have given one curry and one raita for biryani. More than enough for a biryani. Guys, just amazing, guys. I can't see so much of things that which has been added because usually if you are eating biryani, you know, the chakke, lavanga, everything will be there. In Kannada I'm saying, not in English. Let me use this curry. I can see some fat bean floating on the curry. Pour this for one day. No diet and all. Sometimes at least. Once in a while. Happily I'm going to eat. Forgetting this gym diet and all. Usually biryani will be damn dry in some places. But here they have used a good amount of oil for biryani. So biryani is like tasting really good. And when you are pouring the curry and when you are eating, it is the next level of taste. The ambience of the restaurant is, however, like 360 degree. You will be getting air. when it's raining and when you're having the spicy biryani, spicy mutton chops and all, no, the feel is like entirely different. I've got chicken fry. The color is like completely red and lot of curry leaves have been added in this chicken fry, and one lemon. Lemon let me use later. The fry is like proper fry itself. Salt level is in next level when you're pressing the chicken. The roughness of the chicken which is being salted in the pan. The masala is being completely touched to the meat. Bottom of the meat, I can say. Spiciness, pepper, chili powder, garam masala, coriander powder, everything they have added perfectly in this. The taste, it's like giving a proper kick. The hotness of the chicken and spiciness of this chicken fry is like next level, guys. I wanna try this with lemon. Definitely it will give a very good taste. The curry leaves also, the way they have salted the fryness of the curry leaves, it's giving a very good taste with this chicken fry. The juiciness of the lemon is really good. Chicken fry, I have a slight gravy. I want to try this with biryani. Definitely it will give a very good taste. Got some chicken fry. Let me mix this in this mutton biryani. Definitely it will give a very good taste. When it's raining, guys, trust me, in this types of restaurant you have to try the spicy dishes itself. Without spiciness there is no kick. Chili chicken or chicken fry, this types of dishes you have to try. In this restaurant, first itself I got biryani and then I got starters, because they are preparing starters for me freshly and hot. Let me try slowly starters with rice. Next comes up with mutton fry. Mutton. Their mutton is really very good, guys. I feel that I'm eating at house. That feel I have, because the mutton is so damn tender. God, wanna just squeeze this lemon, because I can see a lot of pepper which has been added in this mutton fry. I'm damn sure this will be spicy. Mutton. The hotness and the feel of the mutton, God, it's just crazy. The pepper and the curry leaves, whatever they have used in this mutton fry, that has been left the juice in the mutton for a quite long period of time. So the mutton is like completely soft and it's damn juicy, guys. Just look at this. They have prepared the mutton. Just look at the juiciness of the mutton. When you're squeezing the meat, the juice is completely getting out of the mutton. I want to try this mutton fry gravy with rice again. The feel of mutton fry and chicken fry taste is entirely different. I thought first mutton and chicken fry, almost the taste will be same. What makes sense? But no, the taste is entirely different. Mutton and chicken fry taste itself is that fatness has just melted in this and it is just floating on that mutton fry. With biryani rice though, it is entirely different taste. There is no other dish that you can expect in this restaurant. This is lemon chicken, and lemon chicken usually comes in curry itself, but this they have fried it. I don't know what is the taste of this. I think they have used turmeric for color. Taste, of course, we have to try and see. Oh, it is really damn hot. Lemon is being added in this lemon chicken. The taste of this lemon fry is like entirely different. They are saying lemon chicken, but this, I call it as lemon fry itself. Many places have tried lemon chicken. It will be in gravy form itself, but here it's in fry form. But yes, the crispiness, the corn flour, whatever they have coated on the chicken, it's entirely different. Slight corn flour has been added in the chicken, because if corn flour is more, that taste of the meat won't be available. The corn flour thickness will be more. But here, just look at this. You don't find that corn flour so much. The taste is like so damn good. The tanginess of the lemon, and they have used curd for marinating this, and lemon. They have squeezed properly lemon in this, so it's giving a proper lemon chicken taste, lemon fry taste, or lemon chicken taste. I'm getting confused, right? Yes, because this is fried. They have oil fried this. Finally, I finished my food. I personally recommend to eat mutton biryani and mutton fry. Even chicken fry is also good. Food was really good, but the climate is like even more good. The Bangalore climate is. After having lunch, like proper mutton biryani, of course, that sleepiness will be there. Price and the location will be mentioned in the description part. If you people like this video, please do like, share and comment. Anyhow guys, it's time to end my vlog. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.